Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to discuss about concept of matter or what is the matter. Or what is the matter. Last class you learned about matter. The matter is having elements, molecules and compounds. The matter is having elements, molecules and compounds. It is very important for nature of the matter because the chemistry is all about study of the matter. But in this universe, it's available only in the form of matter, not only elemental form, molecular form. It's available in the form of only matter. For example, chalk keys, this is a matter. It's available only in the form of matter. This is composed by calcium and carbonate, right? So it's very important for the nature of the matter. So now the matter is derived from Latin word. The matter is derived from Latin word, that is materia. That is materia. In the meaning of materia is wood and or timber in the sense of matter. Let us see the statement is the matter is derived from Latin word, that is materia. That is materia. The meaning of materia is wood or timber, the sense of matter. Sense of matter. The matter is derived from Latin word, that is materia. Now, how can define the matter? What is the mean by matter? The matter is the term of any kind of material. The matter is the term of any kind of material, anything that has some mass and occupied by space. Occupied by space, it is called matter. Give the statement. Let us see here the statement. The matter is in the term for any kind of material, anything that has some mass and occupied space is called matter. Is called matter. The matter is term for any kind of material. Anything that has some mass and space occupied by space is called matter. Now, you know that mass, the mass is measurable quantity. The mass is measurable quantity. Quantity, measurable quantity. But that object is, one object is heavier, one object is lighter. So the mass is measurable quantity. Next one, the space. But space, you know that the space, you know that. But for example, you take two glasses. Two glasses. Here fill in the water. But compare with two glass, here the water level is rises. So the water is occupied by space. The water is occupied by space. Occupied by space. You say another word, the volume of water. The volume of water is the space. The volume of water is the space. Space is occupied. Is occupied. Okay. This is the what the volume of water. This is the space. No, mass is a measurable quantity. Space is here. The space is the volume of water is the space. Right. This is the space. Right. For example, matter. The matter is around with you. Around with you. But this chappies is matter, your cloth is matter, and the mobile phone is matter, hair is matter, and water is matter, and but house also is matter, and everything is matter, because the things are occupied by space, some mass. Exist in different physical forms in different condition. Let us see. The matter is exist in different exist different physical forms in different conditions. Conditions. For example, you can take water. But water is a matter. This is exist in different physical forms in different condition. For example, ice. This is a liquid water, solid water. And water is a liquid. Next one is steam, vapor. So water is exist in different physical forms. So this is a physical forms, but this is exist in different conditions. But ice is and water and steam. But here is the condition is the temperature. For example, the water the temperature increases, but here is the ice is converted to the water is converted to the steam or vapor. So condition is different. Ice is different condition, this exists in different condition. Water is exist in different conditions, and steam also exists in different conditions, right? So this is the physical, the matter is exist in different physical forms in different conditions. Okay, so now this class is you learn derived from matter and definition of the matter, and matter is exist in different physical forms in different conditions. So matter is the occupied some occupied space and some mass. So this is called matter. So I will explain next class is nature of the matter. Thank you very much.